Hi everyone, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I'm Elena and this workout is all about back. In this workout we are going to do nice exercises for back plus stretching and some things to open our chest and shoulders. So thank you for watching again and let's start. So first I want you to stay and feel the floor with your feet and keep your tummy in, right? You can move your hips tiny bit forward and move your tummy in, okay? Once you do so, you might feel that your core is already tight, yes? And then pull your shoulders down, keep your back straight and make your neck long and beautiful. And do inhale, hands up. And then exhale. Once again, inhale and then exhale. Excellent. One more. Up and then down. Go down. Keep your legs bended. Keep your back bended. Catch your elbows and relax with your head, neck, and shoulders. Keep dropping down. I'll show you here. So keep dropping down. Move to the one leg. Back to the center, then to the other one. Back to the center again. One, the other one. And relax with your back. Don't engage your neck. Just relax. And slowly go up through spine roll. Okay, and do rotations for your shoulders. Keep breathing. You can breathe in your own pace, just don't stop breathing. Relax with your arms, work with your shoulders only. Very good. Super. And then we get into table position. So bend your knees and get into table position. Your knees are straight under your hips and your palms are under your shoulders. And keep pulling your shoulders down. If you move forward, you see that your body weight more on your arms. If you move back, you'll find that your body weight more on your legs. Again, forward and back, forward and back. And then stay in the center. Keep your tummy in, core is engaged. Okay, and do a nice arch. Look forward and then bend your back. Look down, exhale. Again, inhale and then exhale. Again, inhale and look up and then exhale. Bend your back, look at your tummy if you can. This movement is also called cat-cow. Keep breathing. Very good. And then the last one. Okay, and then sit down on your heels. Okay, and then move your hands forward. Put your head on the floor and relax and breathe. This is baby's pose or child's pose. Stay here and just relax. You can move your hands back. Keep your hands next to your sides and feel that your shoulders are dropping down to the floor. Keep breathing. Okay, and then move one hand forward and then the other one is on the side. Put your palm on the floor and you can put your head, side of your head on the floor as well. And keep breathing. Then switch. One hand is going forward and the other one to the side. Put your palm on the floor and just breathe. Keep sitting on your heels and relax. Okay, excellent. And then get back into table position. Keep pulling your shoulders down, one hand up, and then the opposite leg up. And then drag your knee to your elbow and back. Again, drag and up. Keep your body weight in the center. Keep breathing. No rush. We do just 6 times. Inhale and then exhale. Excellent. And then switch to the other side. Another hand up, then the opposite leg up. Keep your balance. Then drag your knee to your elbow. 1. Keep breathing. Very good. The last one. Okay, we are done. And then you can place your legs and hands on the floor and just relax. Keep breathing. Then sit down into baby's pose again. And here, rise up with your back bended. Stay on your knees. And then move forward. Put your thighs, then your hips, then your stomach, and then your chest on the floor. And make sure that you keep your arms or elbows next to your thigh, next to your sides, and then up, and then get back into baby's pose again. Stay here, relax, and again rise up your back, bend it, stay on your knees, and then move forward. Put your thighs on the floor, then your hips, stomach, and chest as well. You might notice that we do tiny push-ups, that our arms are working as well. Again, up and move down forward. Keep pulling your shoulders down. Okay, the last one. And then we can relax. Place your palms under your shoulders and keep your neck neutral, so don't engage your neck. Lift your chest, shoulders up, and then down. Again, up and down. Exhale. Again, up, inhale, and then exhale. Keep pulling your shoulders down. Up. Very good. Then the last one. Excellent. And place your chest and shoulders on the floor. Arms are straight. And we are going to work with the opposites again. So lift one hand up and the opposite leg up. And then down. Switch to the other side. Another hand and the opposite leg up and down. Keep switching and keep breathing. Don't pressurize your neck. Your neck is neutral. Okay, that's all. We can relax. And we are going to do a board or a sheep. I mean, this movement looks like a board of the river. So lift up your legs, but make sure that you squeeze your glutes. They are squeezed. And then lift up your chest, shoulders, and your arms, and stay here for 4, 3, 2, 1. And then relax. Again, up and down. Don't engage your neck. Again, up. Keep breathing and down. And once again, up. Okay, and down. Very good. Well done. And now turn on your side. Make yourself comfortable. Make sure that your legs are bent 90 degrees. Relax with your head. Put your head on your shoulder, legs 90 degrees. Lift your hand up to the ceiling. Move it forward, then up above your head, then back and up to the ceiling again. And rotate your hand. Keep your hand straight all the way. Keep breathing and feel that you are rotating your shoulder as well. Then the last one. Very good. And we can switch to the other side. Make sure that your legs are 90 degrees bended. Relax with your head, with your neck. Lift your hand up to the ceiling, forward, up above your head and down and back. Again, forward, above your head, back, up to the ceiling. We are doing the last one. Very good. And we are done. I hope your back, your shoulders are okay now. Slowly stand up. Take your time and just few rotations with your shoulders. Breathe and do inhale, hands up, and then exhale. Once again, up and down. The final one, you can put your hands over your knees and keep your back straight. And arch your back, look forward. And bend your back, look down at your tummy. Again, arch and then back. Inhale and then exhale. Move your chest forward, shoulders back when you do arch, and bend. Last one, and bend your back and slowly roll up. Excellent, thank you for watching and stay healthy. See you in my next videos.